Sara and I are so excited to have found this beautiful basilico, this basil, and today we're going to make some pesto alla Genovese. Of course, first of all, the basilico. Here we have some Parmigiano, pine nuts, pecorino romano, salt, and a little bit of garlic. In order to bring the very good flavor out of the pine nuts, we are going to put them in the oven and just toast them just a little bit. We're going to make sure to just slightly toast them. We don't want them to get dark, but once in a while we're going to shake the pan. You probably can already notice the nice sheen on top. That means the oils are being released from the pine nuts, and it's going to cause the flavor to be even more intense. Traditionally, pesto alla Genovese is made in a mortar and pestle. Usually it's out of marble, but this is what we have. We're going to start by crushing the garlic, and to it we're going to add a little bit of coarse sea salt until it becomes a paste. As you can see, the garlic has been totally creamed. Now normally we would start adding the basil leaves to it and gently crush them. Now the one that they traditionally use in Italy, like I said, is made out of marble, and it has these little extensions on it, and that is for us to keep turning it around. But today, since we're kind of lazy, and that's what we also normally do, we're going to make ours in the food processor. Now normally you would begin, once all the basil leaves are nicely crushed, you would also begin to add the cheese, and then at the end you would add the pine nuts. As you can see in here, we have placed ice in here, and that is because basil tends to oxidize, and so by making it cold, it helps to prevent from oxidizing. We're going to dump this out. We're going to get everything out of here and place it in the food processor. So the garlic is already in there, it's just creamed. And now we're going to add the basil leaves. We added what we had in the mortar and pestle. Now normally we would put the garlic in here with a bit of salt and already use the food processor to blend it up really fine. But instead, since we've already done that, we're just going to add our basil leaves and basically just quickly pulsate. Now we're just going to pulsate like this. Add some more. And keep doing this until all the basil has been pureed or is into a nice paste. Now we're going to add some of the pecorino romano and pulsate again. And now we're going to put some of the Parmigiano Reggiano in it, and this will cause our pesto to become nice and creamy. In a minute we'll add some more of the cheese. Now some more of the cheese. And now our toasted pine nuts. Make sure they do not turn brown, because otherwise they will turn bitter. We're going to pulsate this as well. And add the rest of them. Check and see how absolutely gorgeous this is, and it has not oxidized. And now at this point we're slowly going to add the olive oil. So I'm going to put this back on, and right from the top we're going to add the olive oil. Check out this beautiful pesto alla Genovese. Look at the colors, the textures, and this inside some mixed with some spaghetti is going to be absolutely delicious. Here is a plate of spaghetti al pesto. We have already put it in here. Now a bit of Parmigiano Reggiano, and then we're going to put a basil leaf right on top here, and of course a nice drizzle of olive oil. I think we're ready to taste it. So we're gonna get a little bit from here. Look at this, so nice and creamy. it is, the aroma is absolutely amazing. And here it is. Buon appetito.